Hello students, this is our sixth, seventh part of our topic height and distance. So this is the sixth question of seventh part. The angle of elevation of a cliff from a fixed point is theta. So suppose the fixed point is at O and the elevation of cliff is theta. This angle is theta, right? This is given. This angle is theta. And after going up a distance of k meters towards the top of the cliff at the inclination of angle phi, right? So the angle of elevation of the cliff will become alpha. This is alpha d. So that the height of the cliff is k times cos phi minus sin phi into cot alpha upon cot theta minus this is cot alpha, right? Here alpha. Let AB is h meter high cliff, right? So in right angle triangle OAB, tan theta equal to or cot theta equal to OA upon AB, right? So value of OA equal to AB is h. So this is AB cot theta means h cot theta, right? This is our first equation. Now in right angle triangle OEC, here cos phi equal to and sin phi equal to. So first of all sin phi. Sin phi equal to this is CE upon K, right? So this implies that CE will be K sin phi, right? And cos phi equal to OE upon K. So this implies that OE will be K cos phi. Now this is third equation. Here AE equal to AE equal to OA minus OE and OA is H cot theta. This is OA, H cot theta, minus OE is K cos phi. So AE is this. Now AD is AD equal to OCE. Therefore, BD equal to AB minus AD. So BD is, so in right angle triangle CDB, tan alpha equal to BD upon CD. BD equal to AB minus AD, right? The value of BD equal to AB is H, so this is H minus value of AD is K sin phi, so this is H minus K sin phi. So put here value of BD, then you will get tan alpha equal to H minus K sin phi upon H cot theta minus K cos phi. Tan alpha is written as 1 upon cot alpha, right? So this is H minus K sin phi upon H minus cot theta upon K cos phi. Cross multiply. Then you will get H cot alpha minus, this is H cot alpha minus K sin phi into cot alpha, and this will become H cot theta minus K cos phi. H cot alpha minus H cot theta equal to K sin phi cot phi minus K cos phi. Taking H as a common, then you will get cot alpha minus cot theta in bracket and K bracket cos sin phi cot alpha minus cos phi, right? So value of H is this. Now take minus sign from the numerator and denominator, then you will get H equal to this. Hence proved. Now our next question is, at the foot of a mountain, the elevation of its summit means peak, is 45 degree, right? After ascending 1000 meter towards the mountain up a slope of 30 degree, here angle is given 30 degree. So when in the inclination of 30 degree, when 1000 meter towards goes towards the mountain, the slope will become 30 to 60 degree, right? Then find the height of the mountain. Here height of mountain A of AB is suppose H. So our statement will become, let AB is a mountain of height H meter. So in right angle triangle OAB, tan 45 degree equal to AB upon OA. Value of tan 45 is 1. So this is AB upon OA. AB is H. So this is OA. It means H equal to OA. Right? This is our first equation. Now in right angle triangle OEC, OEC, here sine 30 equal to CE upon 1000. Hypotenuse is given 1000 meters. So this is half. So CE upon 1000. It means CE will be 500 meter, right? And cos 30 equal to OE upon 1000. So value of cos 30 is under root 3 by 2. So this is OE upon 1000. 1000. So OE will be OE will be 500 root 3 meter. So this is your OE. And value of CE is 500, right? Now, in right angle triangle, in right angle triangle, this triangle CDB tan 60 degree equal to, in right angle triangle CDB tan 60 degree equal to, this is BD upon CD, right? BD is AB minus AD, right? Upon CD is, CD will be AE. Clear? And now AB is H and AD will be CE, and AE is OA minus OE. OA minus OE. So this will become, and tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 is equal to H minus CE. The value of CE is 500, right? Upon OA is H minus OE. OE is how much? OE is 500 root 3. Clear? Now cross multiply, then you will get H minus 500 equal to under root H minus this, H minus 500 equal to root 3H minus 500 into 3. Root 3 become 3. So now transfer this towards this, then you will get 1500 minus 500 equal to, this is root 3H minus H. Clear? So this is 1000 equal to, this will become, after taking H common, you will get root 3 minus 1 inside the bracket. Then you will get H equal to 1000 upon root 3 minus 1. So now rationalize it. So multiply by its conjugate by root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Then you will get, this is 1000 bracket root 3 plus 1 upon this is 2. So you will get 500 bracket root 3 plus 1 meter. So the height of the cliff is 500 bracket root 3 plus 1 meter. Thank you, students.